Hello friends, my name is Aditya Shankar Pawar and today date is 16th of May 2024 and today we are going to discuss a technical topic which is related to the Java programming and today's technical topic name is inheritance in Java using real-time example. So first we will discuss what is the inheritance, what is the concept is inheritance and what are the types of inheritance, why we use inheritance, and using the inheritance what are the positive effect or the aspects on the code or the program, and some disadvantages if there are, that also we will discuss today. So first we will discuss the from where the concept of inheritance came, or the which part which is the, or we can say that which concepts part that is a inheritance. So basically there is one OOPS concept, that is object oriented programming system, and Java is a object oriented programming language. The object oriented programming languages are which follow the all rules of object oriented programming system. So in the object oriented programming system there are four major pillars. One is main inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation and abstraction. In that today we are going to discuss inheritance and we will see real-time examples also. So inheritance is that nothing that is inheriting the properties of a main class to the derived class, such as we can say their child and parent like a relationship, and also we can say carrying some properties from the superclass to the subclass. This is called as inheritance, and which properties are denoted, or we can say mentioned into the superclass are get inherited into the subclass by extending one class into the another class, that is superclasses get extended into the subclass. So we will discuss some types of inheritance. There are majorly five types of inheritance. First one is single inheritance, another one is multiple inheritance, third one multi-level inheritance, fourth one hierarchical inheritance, and last one that is hybrid inheritance. We will discuss these five types of inheritance step by step. So in the single inheritance, in that name it gets defined, that is a single subclass is get extended by the single superclass. Suppose if we created a class car and the car has the properties of uh, uh, 4-stroke or 4-cylinder engine and the property of color, and we have mentioned that in a method. And in subclass, if you derive something like a Toyota, suppose there is a Toyota subclass and we are extending the car class, and by extending the car class all the properties which have car class are also get extended into the subclass, but we have to define some special properties which can have that class. There is no need to describe all the properties which are given to the superclass. If that was the interface, then the all properties which are mentioned in the interface class, that we have to mention in the implemented class also. So after that, multi-level inheritance. There is a connection like uh, grandparent class, parent class, and the child class. This hierarchy maintained in the multi-level class. There are extending classes by top to the base, and after that another one that is a uh, hierarchical class, that there are two different classes, or we can say one single class, one single parent class are get extended into the subclasses. and also called by the methods which we have to call. And the one type of inheritance, that is multi-level multiple inheritance, is not supported by the Java because it creates an ambiguity. When we extend two subclasses, we give one single parent class is get extended into the two different subclasses. At that time, it gets an ambiguity by the method name, so it fails to call method, and fails to call the address of that method, so it does not get executed and it throws compile error. So their multiple inheritance is not supported by the Java, and it gets overcome by using abstraction. Thank you friends, this is all about the inheritance.